Now, I'd like to go through the guided descaling mode with you. Go to the main menu. Select Maintenance, then Descaling. The descaling process takes about 50 minutes. Let's start now. First, I'm prompted to empty the drip tray and place it back. Next, I need to prepare the water tank. To do this, I remove the water tank. Take a descaling tablet and ensure the tank is only half full with cold water. I place the tablet in the tank and wait until it has completely dissolved. Then I top up the tank with more water until full and reinstall it. Now I confirm with done. The existing water in the boiler is now removed via the drainage. Once the boiler has been emptied, I am prompted to remove and empty the drip tray. Next, I place a container under the LIGRE foamer, our steam lance. The boiler is now filled with descaling agent and then flushed through the steam system. Later, the boiler will be emptied again via the LIGRE foamer and the drainage system. This process takes about 11 minutes. Make sure you have enough time for descaling, as interrupting the process will require a 20-minute rinse cycle when restarting the machine, and that would take additional time. So, always complete the descaling in one go. Now I should empty the drip tray and the container. I place the drip tray back, remove the portafilter, and place the container under the brew group. I confirm with OK. If the portafilter is attached, please remove it. I already did this in the previous step. The brew group is now being heated and descaled. This process will take around 10 minutes. Now, the descaling process is almost complete. It is important to clean the surface of the LIGRE youn now. Otherwise, descaling marks may remain. I pull out the drip tray so I can reach all areas. I dry and clean the surface with a soft microfiber cloth. Then put the drip tray back in place. Now, I confirm with done and the descaling process is complete.